for the already mentioned website where you can get the online work, and you can earn money in foreign currency as well as your Indian currency as well. So here's the website. You already I was registered, but I want to show you. So I want to type another time. www dot virtual staff is already coming. You can see here this title bar .ph. This is one of the website where you can get the work online. So what you have to do actually, you have to basically ideas, you have to learn some work which is, if you don't you know already, so it's fine. If you don't know, you want to earn money, so you have to some follow niche a particular, which is, this is the thing. See the picture, see the variety of the work is already here. Just example, if I am talking about somebody know about the video editing, so here the project, you can get the project for the video editing and click the video editing. So lots of people you will see already working here. The one of this girl already charging for $1,600 per month. It's approximately more than 80,000, 85,000, more than approximately 1 lakh. She has a associate degree. They have rating. Actually, the rating define that how much you are confident about towards your work, which is towards your skills, which you want to work for that. She has 10-year experience. Another gentleman, he already working for $300 per month. He has 6 years experience in video editing. So these kind of things, you can get the work through the online. But before get the work online, you have to also that particular knowledge, that particular skills for that. So if you have knowledge about that, according to these niches, so you can do it right now. And you have to register for that, and then you able to get the work through online. So there's a both the portal, this portal for both employee and employer both. So you have to register first, and if you don't have, so you can see the all the niches means, if you don't don't know about the niches, it means any area of interest, which is you want to you are comfortable for that. Like the data entry, somebody data entry specialist, they can do for data entry. Anybody website designer, like the WordPress developer, somebody is SEO marketing expert. So there's all kind of varieties, kind of categories. Web developers, all of the things here. A web developer, somebody is interested for the web developing work, so you can get from here. They can register ourselves and they can get the work from here. So for the register, what you have to do, very simple things. First of all, come to the website. You can see at the top corner right side that you have to sign up. So it will ask for both, like I want to hire, like for the employer, and I want to job the person, like the employee, like us, like you, me, like this. So if I want a job, so you have to come, you have to click this one, I want a job. So here you can see, I will zoom it out, full name. It will ask for your full name, your email address, password, confirm password, and then just register. Because I already registered for here, I'll do one more time for you guys. Okay, I'll make it another time video. Okay, I created another one. Okay, so here some detail asking for the step 1. You have to follow this step. First of all, personal, then second one, education, experience, where I verify account, then change password. If the 4 step you have to follow, then automatic your work will be, your basic work will be done. And here for the complete first profile, you have to put your date of birth, gender, male, female, contact number, this one, your address. Okay, already mentioned before, so you already saved here. Save and continue. Okay, here my date of birth is left, this one way. Okay, this is the things. enter very. Actually, I was already done, so maybe this is the problem with this. Just okay. Month and date. The month is 08/31st 22. Sorry. So now I came to second step. I have to choose any pictures which I can do it. If I choose this picture, virtual job, virtual assistant, like do same. You have to do salary what you expected, like $400 if I was smaller one. If you graduate, you have to choose your degree, what you have qualifications. Here's the qualifications, how much year of experience, if do 1 year. What now if you want to do the freelancing, you can do freelancing, preferred employment, full-time freelancing. If you want freelancing, it's up to you. If you want a full-time job, if you want a part-time job, if you want freelancing. Okay, so you can do, or you have to share your work experience, कहाँ कहाँ आपने काम किया है, वो सब चीज़ आपको मेंशन करना है यहाँ पे. So this is the thing. So you have to just forward. I did for me also. I did already, but this is for your information. Okay, you have to do. You have to fill according to yourself what you have knowledge. Okay, and this is third step. Complete your work experience. Okay, so this is some your niches in which you have worked, how much you know. Like if you know about the marketing, sales and marketing, so here's some categorize, how much, what type of niches you already know, how many type of work you already did before, how much experience. There's a rating for the stars. You can see the affiliate marketing. There's marketing already saw lots of categories: affiliate marketing, classifieds, email marketing, lead generation. So these are kind of things. So you have to, like, I know the affiliate marketing very very good, so this one I know. Email marketing I know very good, at least. But you have to select only 5 till the 5, because here some in a note, for 5-star rating you can only choose a maximum of 5 skills, okay, to rate 5 stars. Exceed limit will not allow you to finish your profile, otherwise your profile will be not complete. So you have maximum 5 niches you can select here. So I know Facebook marketing very good, so it's video marketing also. Now I know YouTube marketing very good, 5. So 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, it's done. Done. It's done here. Save and continue. So now is, as fourth one. See, 1 2 3 has been completed. Now verify your account. So upload valid ID if you have any Aadhaar card, PAN card, like this, any government ID, whatever you have. So I registered here mine. Add this one. Second, your Facebook connected, okay, because I already registered here, so linked with my Facebook account. So you already the number already attached here. So done. Save and change. If when you did the save and change, you already registered, you get the one notification. So basically friends, this is the process for the login in here. Okay, so I'm going to log out. So I hope you learned, you got some information from my side, which is maybe it will be helpful for you. You will be able to do work from your home, and you can work for abroad as well, just with the very nominal cost. Just only cost is that your internet, your good speed internet, that's it. You don't need to invest lots of money, just only invest your lots of efforts, only your passion, your dedication to learn skills, and then you earn. Okay, you don't think that it will be happen in very very instantly. Yet it will be, but you have to know before. the work. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video.